Stocks ending slightly higher as a rally in commodities helped offset an unexpected drop in November new home sales. For more details, let's go to Deborah Kostroun at the NYSE. Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Pim. Well, a lot of moving around with stocks today, and they actually eked out a very small gain. But we did have below average volume, likely to see that again tomorrow as the markets close early for the Christmas holiday. But still, we're very close to the S&P erasing half its loss from the bear market that ended in March. Since March the 9th, the S&P is up a staggering 60%. So what worked in today's session? Well, we did see rallies in oil and copper, and that drove a lot of gains in commodity producers. As Pim was talking about, that report on new home sales sending the dollar lower, and so a lot of money pouring into things like the commodities. Crude oil rising the most in a month. Also, after the Energy Department report showed a bigger drop in stockpiles, that led energy stocks to be the biggest gainers in the S&P 500. Also, Schlumberger, that is the biggest oil field contractor, rallying today after Barclays recommended buying its shares. And copper futures climbing more than 2%. That helped material stocks like Freeport-McMoRan, also other stocks like Newmont Mining as well. And newspaper owners rising on the day. Gannett jumping, and that, of course, is the owner of USA Today. They actually got an upgrade today by Wells Fargo, which said the newspaper and the ad market is improving more quickly than they previously anticipated, particularly in December. The New York Times actually having the biggest gain in the S&P 500. Wells Fargo also upgrading that stock as well. And stocks rose at the start of the trading day, mainly because we got a report about consumer spending, and that increased. But then we got the report on new home sales. The Commerce Department saying those new home sales fell 11% in November. That's a 7-month low. Also suggests that the recovery from the housing slump will be slow to develop. Certainly that had an impact on the home builders. And not only on the home builders, but also on some of the home improvement stocks like Lowe's and Home Depot. That's it from here, Pim. Now back to you in the studio.
Thank you very much, Deborah Kostroun reporting.